The information in this video is presented to assist those working in the construction industry. The incidents described and demonstrated in this video are not real-life incidents. They're shown here using actors to illustrate how accidents can happen on construction sites. Introduction. Electricity is essential for our economy. It's so much a part of modern living that we often take it for granted. Electricity is delivered across the country using both overhead wires and underground cables. It's a powerful and versatile source of energy, but it can be dangerous unless we use safe systems of work. Serious accidents, including fatalities, have occurred where construction work has taken place too close to the electricity network. The aim of this video is to provide important safety information to help you stay safe when working near overhead wires and underground cables. This material is for general guidance only and should not be regarded as a substitute for professional advice from ESB networks. Such advice should always be taken before acting on any of the matters discussed. HSA-approved codes of practice. When working near overhead or underground electricity networks, digging or breaking ground, always make sure to be fully familiar and compliant with the HSA-approved codes of practice for both scenarios. Compliance with these codes of practice and using your own safe systems of work will keep you and your colleagues safe. Remember, never to breach the exclusion zone or disturb underground cables. Stay safe, stay clear. Overhead electricity wires. Check the code of practice for avoiding danger from overhead electricity lines for information on the hazard zone and the exclusion zone. This will ensure that you know where you can work safely around overhead electricity wires. In the event of an incident involving accidental contact with overhead electricity wires, remember these steps to staying safe. 1. Keep clear. The driver or operator of plant or machinery that comes into contact with overhead wires will usually remain safe in the cab. However, other people on the ground are at serious risk if they make contact with the plant or machinery or their attachments. It's never safe to rely on rubber tires or rubber-soled boots for protection. They will not insulate against high-voltage shock. Tires can burst into flames and boots can be destroyed. 2. Contact ESB networks. You or someone else should immediately phone the 24-hour ESB Networks emergency number on 1800 372 999. 3. Jump clear. If you must exit, jump clear so that contact is not made between you, the vehicle, and the ground. Land on your feet and do not touch the ground with your hands. Move away carefully by shuffling, keeping both feet together, or bunny hopping with both feet close together. 4. Stay clear. Do not go back to the vehicle as it may still be live. Do not approach the vehicle until ESB Networks has confirmed that it's safe to do so. Many fatal accidents occur when the person has jumped clear but then turns back to close the door. Do not turn back and close the door. Never make contact with a live vehicle and the ground at the same time. Underground network. Always employ safe digging practices on site. Before carrying out digging works on any construction site, always assume there's live electricity cables buried in the ground. Prior to digging, contact ESB Networks at dig@esb.ie for the most up-to-date maps and records. When digging near cables, always hand dig. Once you locate cables, never attempt to move them and always assume there's more cables on site than are located on the maps. The depths of some cables may be shallower than you think, and they may not have warning tape, bricks or other protection around them. If an electricity cable suffers any impact or damage, however slight, the incident must be reported to ESB Networks without delay by contacting 1800 372 999. Our emergency number is manned 24/7, 365 days a year. Before you finish today, please save this number to your phone. It could be the difference between life and death.